Little star. The little star. The little star. Where did it go? Here it is. It's right there. You see it? Right there. Right there. Right here. Right there, little star. Your eyes look green now. This is a terrible camera. Yeah, she definitely needs a scratching post too already. And she's gonna get one. I'll glue a bunch of these leftover pill bottles. I'll make her a scratching post out of those. She likes to explore. Very curious. Come on, little star. There's Cusco complaining. What are you complaining about, Cusco? What is it, Cusco? Hello, your boy. Hello, your boy. Hello, your Cusco. Hello. Cookie. Hi, the Cookie. Hello, Cookie. Hello, the Cookie. And there's little star. She's after the shadows. She wants to play. She'll be a very fun kitten for you to have. Please, people, somewhere out there who are cat lovers, take this little feral kitten who doesn't have very many signs of being feral anymore, but she needs to have a checkup, needs to go to the vet, probably needs some immunizations. All I'm giving her is food, love, and a place to stay. She's not much about drinking milk, though. A little bit of water. She's been living off tuna since I rescued her off the street. So please, Little Star is what I've named her. You can name her something different if you'd like. That's the name I've given her. Look how full of energy she is. She's very loving.